Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by eliminating the obvious bottlenecks. Switch to Ethernet for baseline and reboot both router and your computer. Once done, clear your browser cache and flush the DNS cache so stale records aren't slowing name resolution. Make sure any VPN or proxy is paused and temporarily disconnect other devices hogging bandwidth. These immediate actions often restore normal speeds quickly because they remove local network congestion and stale settings that cause slow page loads. Next, you narrow the problem to the browser and name resolution. Open an incognito window and load Google. If it's fast, an extension or cached script is the culprit. Disable extensions one at a time and restart the browser to identify the offender. At the same time, change your DNS to a public resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to speed up domain lookup. These steps separate browser issues from network ones and often reveal the precise source of the slowdown. For final fixes, update your network adapter drivers and the browser, then restart to apply changes. If the problem persists, reset network settings or reinstall the browser to clear deep configuration issues. Run a speed test to capture upload/download numbers and compare against your plan. This provides evidence if you need ISP help. If nothing works, try a different device to isolate hardware problems, and if needed, contact your ISP with the test data. This troubleshooting tip gets you to a resolution faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.